Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at insert 20 words, another sentence fluency trick to improve your sentence fluency and make your writing more lively and interesting to read. You have a handout listing all these words, plus they'll be posted in the room for you to refer to in class. Again, you only need to take notes on things that are in yellow. So for this page, you would only need to write down the word notes as you get started on taking your notes on this presentation. These are the insert 20 words. They're not in yellow, but I wanted to include them in here in case you don't have your handout with you, because you will need to know this information later in the presentation. Some of them, like because of, or even though, or in order to, are more than one word, but you need that little phrase to get your sentence started correctly. Basically what these are ways for you to start a dependent clause, but you don't need to know that. That's why this is a trick, is because all you need to know is these words. Start your sentence with these words and you will automatically add a dependent clause to your sentence without even trying. I have a series of examples. Again, you just need to copy 2 of them down, your choice. And if you need to pause to do so, please feel free to pause. Because of preparing subplans, I was here too late Friday. Despite drinking 2 cups of coffee, I'm still sleepy today. Until I get a decent night's sleep, I will continue to be tired. Although I'm wiped out, I am super excited to be teaching the use of insert 20 words. In order to improve your sentence fluency score, you should try using these too. So go ahead, choose your 2 favorite, copy them down. Also notice the sentence order. They start with the insert 20, finishes the phrase, and there's a comma. And then you have the independent clause, which is a sentence that could stand all by itself. I was here too late Friday. That could be a sentence all by itself. Because of preparing subplans, that could not be a sentence all by itself. So the first part that goes to the insert 20 is right before the comma. After the comma, you have the rest of the sentence that could stand on its own. Big surprise. Now it's your turn to try making up some of your own sentences a little bit. Now that I'm in 8th grade, in order to graduate, whether I like it or not, because I'm so cool. And your 5th option is to just make up your own using a sentence starter, one of the insert 20 words, and a 2-part clause to put the whole sentence together. Again, go ahead and pause, get the work done on your paper, and then click play and continue. For a grand finale, you're going to combine hit the bridge words with insert 20 words. So if you need to look back at your notes, please do so. Here's an example. Although these bridge and insert 20 words are good ways to improve your sentence fluency, they won't make a difference unless you use them in longer pieces of writing. For just practicing them in sentences isn't enough to develop the skills automatically. That was a mouthful, but please notice it starts with the insert 20 word, and after the whole insert 20 sentence, there's a comma, there's a bridge word, and then I just kept going. In this case, for does not mean like this present is for you. It's a fairly literary way of saying like therefore, that's why. So go ahead, you don't need to copy that. See, it's not in yellow. Isn't that nice of me? Again, make sure you're using the commas where you need. You're going to need 2 commas in this sentence, because you'll need 1 after your insert 20 phrase, and you'll need 1 right before your bridge word. So now it's your turn. Use a bridge word, use an insert 20 word to make one long but very clear and easy to understand sentence. I would say maybe aim for easier to understand than the one that I just gave you as an example. Start with your insert 20, put the bridge word in the middle. Good luck. The last thing you need to do is be sure that you've turned it in, or let me check it off that you got this assignment done. Thank you, and I'll see you in school.